Hi all, welcome back. Today I'm sharing how you can make Halwai style Gulab Jamun using instant Gulab Jamun mix. So let's start. I'm taking 300 grams of khoya. Adding khoya is optional, but whenever you add khoya, you'll get the nice creamy texture, something filled inside the Gulab Jamun that resembles so much like the ones you have at Halwai. So I would really suggest you to add khoya. I'm going to add 2 packets of instant Gulab Jamun mix. I'm using MTR. You can use whichever you want. First, nicely combine the mix with the khoya. And when everything is nicely mixed and incorporated, I'm going to add milk little by little. Here I'm adding around 1 cup of milk, but you can add milk how much ever is required to form a nice dough-like consistency. Now, while forming the dough, it is very important to make sure that it is not very hard, not too soft. You have to have the perfect consistency, very creamy, fluffy kind of consistency that consists like sandish, cloudy consistency, kind of this texture. And after that, nicely knead it at least for 5 minutes into a soft dough. Now after 5 minutes I'm going to take I'm going to divide it into 4 portions, and in one portion I'm going to start making gulab jamuns. For this you have to rub the jamuns very nicely using your palm and using a little bit of pressure to form a smooth ball. It should be of this size because it is going to expand in size, it is going to double up. So this is the perfect size. And make sure there are no cracks in the ball. Apply a little bit of ghee in your palm and give it a gentle press and nicely rotate it between your palms to form a nice smooth ball. And now, before frying, make sure that the kadai is not too hot, the oil is not too hot, because you have to fry it in hot oil on low flame. So check, once the oil is hot, you're going to turn the flame on low and then fry your gulab jamuns. Always do this test before frying the gulab jamuns, because if you fry the jamuns in very hot oil, your jamuns are going to fry only from outside and they're going to turn black, not golden brown. So I'm going to fry the jamuns nicely. It should take a little time to rise on top. And once they rise, you have to continuously stir it on medium flame so that they cook from all the sides and they turn out evenly. For them to turn evenly golden brown, you have to keep them frying and moving them. So this way, you have to fry them. You have to fry them on medium to low flame only. Don't fry it on high flame. Once it's nice and golden brown, you can take them out, and when they are warm, you can add them into sugar syrup. Here to make the sugar syrup, I am taking 500 grams of sugar and 500 ml of water. You have to make sugar syrup in advance before frying the jamun. I am showing the procedure to make the sugar syrup here. Also adding a bit of saffron and 1 cardamom here. Now I am going to bring it to boil. Once it's been boiling nicely for 5 minutes, you can see a foam is collected here at the sides. Now take out this foam and throw it away. It's the dirt collected here. You can take this out and throw it and wipe the sides of the pan so that this dirt doesn't get accumulated. And check the consistency. It should be one thread consistency. And now you can turn off the flame. Add in the fried jamuns in hot sugar syrup or at least warm sugar syrup. Give it a good mix and your gulab jamuns are ready. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If yes, do give this video a thumbs up. Also, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.